Today we will be discuss about pH scale. First we will be discuss what is the meaning of pH scale. pH means potential of hydrogen, and the pH scale is first given by the scientist Sorensen. Sorensen hypothesis about pH scale depend upon Arrhenius theory, since according to Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance which gives H plus ions. On the basis of this theory, Sorensen gives a mathematical relationship between pH and concentration of H plus, that is following. According to Sorensen, pH equals to minus log H plus, means according to Sorensen, pH is a minus logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. Here is the square bracket indicate that concentration of H plus ion always taken in mole per liter. Mole per liter. Another form of this equation is that pH equals to log 1 upon H plus. And Sorensen derived a scale which is start from 0 and end up to 14. According to Sorensen, if substance have pH value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means range up to 0 to 6 follow acidic, and the 7, exactly 7 follow neutral. When the pH value increase from 7 means 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and lastly is the 14. When the substance has the pH value 8 to 14, it's follow the criteria of basic. Like a pH, we will discuss about pOH. pOH equals to minus log OH negative. And the next form it is pOH equals to log 1 upon OH negative. Here is the concentration of OH negative taken again in moles per liter. According to Arrhenius concept, base is a substance that option A gives H plus ions in aqueous solution, B gives OH negative ion in aqueous solution, C is accept electrons and D is donate electrons. We have already known that according to Arrhenius, base is a substance which gives OH negative ions in aqueous solution. So, question number 1, the correct answer is B. And in the second question, according to Bronsted-Lowry concept, an acid is a substance which option A accept protons, option B gives an electron pair, C gives proton, D combines with H3O plus, that is hydronium ions. As we have know that according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, an acid is a substance or compound which can donate H plus or protons. So on the basis of definition, we can say what is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, that is gives protons. Correct answer is C, that is gives protons, P plus. Now the third question, according to Lewis concept, a base is a substance which donates an electron pair, accept an electron pair, produces hydronium ions, combine with OH negative ions. According to theory of Lewis acid base, a base is a substance which can donate an electron pair. That's why its option A is correct. Means base is a substance which can donate an electron pair. The strength of the acid depends on the A. number of hydrogen atoms present in the molecules. Second one is oxygen content. Third one is density. And fourth one is the concentration of hydrogen ions furnished by ionization. As we have known that on the basis of Arrhenius concept, acid is a substance that can give H plus ions, and base is a substance that can give OH negative ions. Means for the acidic strength, the responsible factor is hydrogen ions, not hydrogen atom. And acidic strength depend upon the concentration of hydrogen ions. That's why its correct answer is D. That is D. Which among the following qualify as a Lewis acid? As we have known that Lewis acid is a species which can accept lone pair. In the option A, NaF, its ionic compound. In this, Na plus and F negative. In both of the species, no one accept lone pair. Similarly, in NaCl, it is also again ionic compound in the hydronium ion, but in option C, molecule BF3, its central atom boron is electron deficient. It can accept lone pair, therefore correct answer is C. Now we will discuss some problems which is related about pH and pOH. Which one of the following relationship is correct? First is pH equals to 1 upon H plus. Second is pH equals to log H plus. Third is log pH equals to H plus. But the correct relationship is D. That is pH equals to log 1 upon H plus according to pH equals to minus log H plus. According to this relationship, the correct answer is D. And next second question. When 10 to the power minus 6 mole of a monobasic strong acid is dissolved in 1 liter of solvent, the pH of the solution is. Here, according to the question, acid is monobasic. It means it gives only 1 H plus. And according to question, the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus 6. So, by the putting of value H plus in the equation, pH equals to minus log H plus. Here is the concentration of H plus equals to 10 to the power minus 6. Therefore, pH equals to minus log H plus means 10 to the power minus 6. By the solving of this equation, we get pH equals to 6 log 10. The value for the log 10 is 1, hence its pH equals to 6. Therefore, correct answer is A. Now next question. When pH of a solution is 2, the hydrogen ion concentration is mole per liter is. For solving this question, we have used the equation H plus equals to 10 minus pH. H plus equals to 10 minus, here is the value of pH is 2. Therefore, concentration of H plus equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. Therefore, answer B is correct. Now the next question, question number 15. It's a very interesting question. The pH of 10 to the power minus 8 molar solution of HCl in water is. Here is the most important thing is that if the concentration of H plus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7, then we have considered H plus of the H2O, that is 10 to the power minus 7, means in this solution total H plus equals to 10 to the power minus 7 plus 10 to the power minus 8. So H plus equals to, by the solving of this, we have common 10 to the power minus 7, then 10 to the power minus 1 plus 1, then H plus equals to 10 to the power minus 7, 1.1. Therefore, in this question, we will put the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus 7 into 1.1. And putting the value of H plus in the equation, pH equals to minus log H plus. Here is the concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus 7 into 1.1. This equation, we have the value of pH equals to 6.9586. Therefore, according to solution, answer C is correct. It means pH between 7 and 8.